வில்லேஜ். அதுக்கு பக்கத்தில் காயல்பட்டினம்னு ஒரு ஊர் இருக்கும். அது வந்து 100% முஸ்லிம். நீ கட்டாயம் அந்த ஜியோகிராபிக்கு போகணும். இந்த காயல்பட்டினத்தை பற்றி எவ்வளோ பேர் கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்க? How many of you have heard anything interesting about காயல்பட்டினம்? Around 35,000 people there. Please listen to this very carefully. Around 35,000 people here. No police station, no cinema theater, no TASMAC. Can you believe that? கைதட்ட வேணாங்களா இதுக்கு வந்து? 35,000 people, no police station, no cinema theater, no TASMAC. And the village goes on peacefully, harmoniously. Which means, I have always believed the world runs not because there is law, there is, police stations. The world runs not because of there are courts, and the world runs because people are guided by their conscience and the inner self. If you are guided by your inner self, then only you have real peace. And Mr. Habib comes from that village which is proven for time immemorial that 35,000 people can be guided by their inner self, and he will not cheat you, he will not let you down. Can I assure that? Can I assure everyone that? Yes, that's why I'm here. I have no reason to be part of a real estate, a community program. Somehow I like him, the energy, the sincerity, the honesty and integrity he brings into anything he undertakes. I have known him only for a brief period of time, but I can see his inner self. And when I told him, and his father, again, in Kayalpatnam, which is 3 villages, he was the first one to build a women's college in that locality, his father. Then imagine, some 30 years ago to build a women's college.